Hi, my name is Josh France, and today I'll be unboxing our new bathymetric scanner, the VQ-840-G. Now the 840-G is a smaller, lightweight sensor designed for helicopters and UAVs to help capture riverines and coastal mapping, or small areas. So let's take a look at what's inside. Now that it's out of the box, let's talk about some of the key VQ-480G specifications and parameters. So first, let's talk about laser safety. Laser safety is very important that you fly at the appropriate altitudes to protect the public. We have both nominal ocular hazards to avoid, as well as enhanced nominal ocular hazards to avoid, which simply means binocular use or camera lenses. So we have a laser safety box to help you cut that short, as well as appropriate planning guides to make sure that you're flying at the right altitude, both to achieve great data acquisition as well as to keep the public safe. So let's take a quick look at the bottom of the system so we can learn a little bit more of what's included in the VQ-840-G. You will notice that we have two ports on the bottom. One is the aperture for the green laser, which has a Palmer mirror scan system, which means circular, which is great for high density acquisition of green laser data. We have as well a camera port. So this includes, in this sensor, a camera. So now that we've talked a little bit about the VQ-840-G, let's talk a little bit about what it can do for you. So this sensor, being small and compact, fits not only on a UAV as I mentioned, but also a helicopter scanner. This is fantastic for the USGS's upcoming riverine program. So it does small, short missions very fast and very efficiently. So we're proud to say that the VQ-840-G is ready to go to work for you.